Yep, it's Saturday, but every day you got to get started some kind of way. So today, I had to come to the post office. Got to send out a package for someone. Yeah, so that's out and it's on its way. But let me tell you about the post office. They are something else. So I have a package that it actually went to my post office box. I didn't expect the package. So, in the meantime, before I found out about the package, I closed the post office box. So, if you're planning to send me a gift, please let me know. And don't send it to the post office box. I know it's on a few of my videos. So, I'm just saying this, to save us some, a little bit of frustration. And once I tell you this, you'll see what I mean. So I go to the post office. First of all, I track the package. I go to the post office and I say, okay, the package says it's being held here for pickup. The package has been there since the 14th. I should say at my post office since the 14th. Okay. So why hasn't it been delivered? Today's the 22nd. Why haven't they forwarded the package? So he tells me, oh, just because you have a forwarding order doesn't mean it's in effect yet. It takes them a few weeks to process the forwarding order before they can forward any mail. So any mail that goes to the box will have to go through the whole process. The mail has to go back to the central distribution center and wait for the order to become effective. I thought it was effective the day that I put on the form when I filled it out, which was January the 4th, I believe, somewhere around there, early part of the month anyway. So the package has to go back through the system and then come back. So it's gonna go from my post office back to the distribution center, back to my post office, and then delivered to me, but not until the forwarding order is effective. And the guy's apologizing to me. I'm like, it ain't your fault. It's not your process. It's the process by someone else, which really doesn't make sense, but it really isn't your fault. So, we left on a good note, smiles and, thank you for your patience and all of that. And I'm like, thank you for checking and thank you for explaining to me how the process goes. So if you're waiting for a package or any mail to be forwarded, good luck. All I can say is just hang in there. Eventually it will get to you. And basically that's what he said, just sit back and wait just a little bit longer and you're going to get your package. And then he asked me for my address. Reluctantly I gave it to him, but they are the post office. So I gave him my address and he says, "Oh, I'll tell Josh to look out for your package." Now that's customer service. I talk about customer service all the time, and trust me, this is one time I went to the post office and I didn't get told, stand back in the line 6 feet from everyone. There's a Nurse Ratchet in that particular location, and she will, put you in line to wait. But she wants you 6 feet apart. Okay, no worries. You're wearing your mask. Whatever. Okay, no problem. So anyway, moving right along. So last night I had a live. I don't know if you were in the room or not, but if you weren't in my live last night, that Friday night mashup with Rochelle and Wave, Love to Travel with Wave, you need to go take a look at that video, okay? You need to go take a look at that and then come back and comment and tell me what you thought about it and how interesting it was. I mean, we had a lot of good content there. I'm not just patting myself on the back, because kudos for Love to Travel with Wave as well, and we had a great audience. So I invite you to come back and check us out again, because we'll be doing more collabs. And yeah, so I'm out and about. I'm driving right now, going to pick up a few things, put some gas in my car, and yeah, you all have a fantastic Saturday, because there's no other choice. See you later. Signing off. Bye.